y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I'm excited to share an unboxing video with you. I just received my latest order from Illustrated Faith. This has their Advent kit and a field guide devotional. I'm just super excited to open it up. This is something that I ordered, purchased with my own money. I'm excited to dive in. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, stay tuned. All right, so this kit is a little bit different. First of all, you got these cutie little extras. Those will be super fun. And this is their like Advent kit. It is super cute. I'm going to open this really carefully so I can try to save this sticker. But this is how their Advent kit comes. Let me show you this before we get started. So you get the card from Shauna Noel. There is glitter galore in here, and it says thank you. It gives you a sneak peek of next month's kit, which looks super cute. And what it is, the Advent kit is full of 25 daily scriptures along with a crafty goodie each day for you to unwrap, which is super fun. So it comes in this little crate. I'm going to kind of pick this up. There's definitely like confetti in here, which is super fun. All right, so you have confetti, and then you can set all of these up, and you can either open it as you go, or you can, rip into all of them at once. But let's just take a look at the first one together. So on day one, you have Isaiah 9:2. So it's just a little card. You can journal on this. You can do all kinds of things. In this for day one, first of all, the cute envelope that they stamped themselves, which I love. Here you have Isaiah 9:2 like written out. So that is super cute. And then a vinyl sticker. Wait, is this paper? No, this is not a sticker. This is a paper piece, but joy to the world. Look at that cute Christmas tree. I love that. So that's just an example for day one. So on each day, you're going to get like a little goodie surprise, which I think is so fun. Advent calendars are just great. So I'm excited just to see. I think I am going to wait and open these as they go, just to kind of discover the scriptures. I haven't totally decided how I'm going to do the journaling for Advent yet, but we'll see. I knew I wanted to try this kit. This is my first time doing, they had something similar last year that I did not participate in, and I'm excited to give it a try this year. So I ordered that, and then I also ordered tons of glitter and confetti everywhere. I also ordered this. This is the Field Guide to Joy, what the characters of Christmas can teach us about joy. So this is an Advent study where we're learning and talking about each of the different characters of Christmas. So you have Mary, Joseph, Elizabeth, Zechariah, Anna. Oh, she's the widow. Simeon, the angels, the innkeeper, God the Father, the shepherds, the Magi, Jesus, and then Merry Christmas here at the end. So this is a devotional. You can buy a digital copy of this as well, and I think they might still have some physical copies. This is the devotional that I planned to study for Advent. We'll see how they coordinate. If they coordinate with the scriptures, they might not. But I thought this would be a really good study for Advent, written by Brianna Showalter, who is just lovely. So I'm excited to dive into that. And then something else that I purchased that I'm super excited about would be these gorgeous little ornaments. So I'm on the Kelly Bangs creative team for Illustrated Faith, and she designs printables. And last year she designed these beautiful ornaments as a printable, and this year it is all made into an acrylic ornament, which I think is super cute. So I bought these to hang on my crafty Christmas tree, or I have one other place that I might end up hanging them in my craft room. But look how cute those are. They just need little ornaments or little hangers. I love these. I think they're so pretty. I loved Kelly's ornaments last year. Love her designs. Oh, look at the wonky star. Totally digging this one. Love that. Let's see. This one is Christmas. I love the colors. Like, this is the colors of the craftiness and of the Christmas stuff in my craft room. Oh, Holy Night. Super, super cute. So I purchased each of those ornaments. I picked up the Field Guide to Joy. I'm thinking that as I study, I want to work in the field guide. I love that there's lines in the background because I feel like you have room to write. I feel like this would be a fun one to add in tip-ins and kind of make it like super chunky and fun in here. I think that could be a lot of cool stuff as you like create pockets and just all kinds of different things. I also have those clear pockets that I could add in so that you could stick in some tip-ins, but then you could still be able to see the sketches behind it. I think that could be a lot of fun. Do you see how, oh, there's also numbers on here. So look, I just noticed this is like wax seal numbers 1, 2. So they have it all the way. Let's see if it goes to 25. It does. It does. And then you have these extra pages at the back. So you can totally use this day by day as an Advent study. And if you're combining the two and you're like, I want to use this card on this day, and I'm going to stick this in here, and we're going to study how this works with this, like putting it together maybe. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see how it turns out. I don't want to like peek at all the scriptures in advance. I mean, let's see. Let's just take... Number 1, we know we're talking about Mary. The people who walked in darkness have seen a great light. Those who dwelt in a land of deep darkness, on them has light shone. Isaiah 9:2. Okay, and we're talking about Mary. So I think you would be able to relate the two. It's referencing different scriptures in here, but maybe that could be part of your study, is like pulling those two together. So we'll see how it goes. I'm super excited. Let me know below if you are participating in the Illustrated Faith Advent study, or what Advent study you are going to do for this holiday season. I think this one is going to be really interesting. I love studying the characters of the Christmas story. I love especially Mary, like the fact that we're starting with Mary. That's probably my favorite because she inspires me a lot. I really, really am inspired by her. So I will probably be reading some of this over Thanksgiving just to like get ready for the study. I'll be using these ornaments in my craft room as soon as I start decorating for Christmas. And this will be sitting on my desk ready to get going for Advent. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I will link anything that I can down below. Like I said, I think there are probably some physical copies of this left, but there's also a digital copy. I know that they are sold out of these Advent kits, but you can always check at Illustrated Faith. They're going to have some gorgeous digital elements for Advent that you're not going to want to miss. And I'm not sure about these ornaments either, but if they're still available, I will definitely link them below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.